Digestive system complete process nutrition divided in 5 stages: ingestion, auto digestion, absorption, assimilation, diffection. Injection, taking food into mouth. Ingestion, digestion, conversion of non-absorbable food into absorbable form. Digestion of the food is started from mouth. Buccal cavity, mouth. Saliva secreted by salivary gland in mouth. Enzyme amylase or ptyalin is present. Amylase convert starch into simple sugar or make it digestible. Secretion of saliva, approximately 1.5 liter per day. Nature of saliva is acidic, pH 6.8 says 7.3 from mouth. Food reach into stomach through food pipe or esophagus. No digestion take place in food pipe. Teeth used for grinding of food is molar. The regular contraction and expansion of the wall is alimentary canal to push food in forward direction is called peristaltic movement. Digestion in stomach. Food lies approximately for 4 hours in stomach. After reaching the food in stomach, gastric gland secrete the gastric juice, light yellow acidic liquid. Gastric juice 1.5 to 3.5. Hydrochloric acid secreted from oxynitic cell of stomach kills the bacteria coming with food and accelerate the reaction of enzyme. Hydrochloric acid make food acidic by which amylase reaction of saliva and enzyme is gastric juice of stomach or pepsin or renin. Pepsin break down protein into peptone. Renin break down casinogen into casein found in milk. Digestion of intestine. Digestion in intestine. Intestine divided into two parts, small or large. Small divided into three, duodenum, jejunum or ileum. First enzyme which mix with food in digestive tract of human is amylase in buccal cavity or mouth. Duodenum. As soon as food reaches the duodenum, bile juice from liver combine with it. Bile juice turn acidic medium of food into alkaline. Pancreatic juice from pancreas combined with food contain three type of enzyme: trypsin, amylase, lipase. trypsin प्रोटीन एंड पेप्टोन को पॉलीपेप्टाइड और एमिनो एसिड में, amylase स्टार्च को सॉल्यूबल शुगर में, लाइपेज इमल्सिफाइड फैट into ग्लिसरॉल और फैटी एसिड, cholecystokinin is a hormone secreted by endocrine system of duodenum which induce the release of digestive enzyme from pancreas and bile from gallbladder. It is also known as appetite suppressor. Jejunum process of digestion completed and absorption of digested food started. From the wall of small intestine, intestinal juice secreted the following enzyme: ellipsin remaining protein and peptone into amino acid, maltose into glucose, sucrose into glucose and fructose, lactose into glucose and galactose, lipase emulsified fat into glycerol and fatty acid. Intestinal juice is alkaline in nature. Approximately 2 liters of intestinal juice secreted every day. Ileum. Third, absorption. Digested food get mixed into food is called absorption. The absorption of digested food take place through villi found in the wall of small intestine or ileum. Assimilation. Use of absorbed food in the body called assimilation. Large intestine. Defecation. Undigested food reach into large intestine where bacteria turns it into feces which is excreted through anus. Enzyme or biocatalyst. Root of tooth is covered by cementum. The pouch connected of the junction of small and large intestine is called cecum. Digestion of food completed in a small intestine. Complete digestion of fat take place in a small intestine. Small intestine is longer than large intestine. Saliva, enzyme, amylase starch, maltose after reaction, gastric juice, pepsin, protein, peptone, renin, casein or calcium paracasein. Pancreatic juice, trypsin protein polypeptide, amylase starch, sugar, lipase fat, fatty acid or glycerol, intestinal juice, erepsin, protein or amino acid, maltase or glucose, lactose or glucose, fructose, sucrose or glucose, galactose, lipase, fat or fatty acid, glycerol, main organ participating in digestion. Liver, largest gland of human body. It weight है जो 1500 ग्राम होता है. Bile secreted from liver. Bile accelerates the action of enzyme present in intestine. Liver convert excess amino acid into ammonia by deamination. Ammonia further converted into urea by ornithine cycle. Urea come out from body through kidney. Liver can convert some quantity of protein into glucose during deficiency of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate metabolism. Liver convert excess glucose found in blood into glycogen and store into hepatic cell of reserve nutrient. Necessity of glucose arises. The liver convert glycogen into glucose. It regulates the quantity of glucose in the blood. In case of decrease of fat in blood, liver convert some of the part of carbohydrate into fat. Production of heparin protein take place by liver, which helps in clotting of blood. Production of heparin protein take place in liver, which prohibit clotting of blood inside the body. Red RBC is destroyed by the liver only. Liver reserves some quantity of iron, copper and vitamin. It helps in regulating the body temperature. Liver is an important clue in investigating a person's death that has been due to poison in food. Gallbladder is a pear-shaped sac in which of the bile coming out of liver is stored. Bile come into duodenum from gallbladder through the bile duct. Duodenum take place by reflex action. Bile is yellowish green colored alkaline liquid. Its pH 7.7. Quantity of water 85%. Bile pigment 12. Main function of bile. मीडियम को अल्कलाइन बनाता है पेनक्रियाटिक जूस को वर्क करने के लिए. किल हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया कमिंग विथ फूड. इमल्सीफाई करता है फैट को. एसिलरेट करता है बाउल मूवमेंट को. इंटेस्टाइन बाय विच डाइजेस्टिव जूस इन फूड मिक्स वेल. It is helpful in the absorption of vitamin K and other vitamin mixed in fat. In case of obstruction in bile duct, liver cells stop taking bilirubin from blood. Bilirubin is spread throughout the body. This is called jaundice. Pancreas, second largest gland of human body. It acts as simultaneous endocrine and exocrine type of gland. Pancreatic juice secrete 9.8% water, remaining part salt or enzyme. It is alkaline liquid, pH 7.5 to 8.3. Contain enzyme called can digest all three type of food material: carbohydrate, fat, protein. Therefore, complete digestive of juice. In islet of Langerhans, part of pancreas, discovered by medical scientist Langerhans. Beta cell insulin or alpha cell glucagon, and from delta cell somatostatin hormone are secreted. Insulin, beta cell of isolate of Langerhans. Glucagon is secreted by alpha cell, and somatostatin hormone secreted by delta cell of isolate Langerhans. Insulin was discovered by Banting and West in the year 1921. It controls the process of marking glycogen from glucose. Diabetes is caused due to deficiency of insulin. Excessive flow of insulin causes hypoglycemia, in which one loses the consciousness and visual disturbance. Glucagon deconvert glycogen into glucose. Somatostatin पॉलीपेप्टाइड हार्मोन है. इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन inhibit the secretion of other hormone as well as activity of pancreatic hormone like insulin and glucagon. Malfunctioning of pancreas cause diabetes. Insulin is essential for uptake of glucose by cell of body. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. डिस्कवरी ऑफ ब्लड सर्कुलेशन विलियम हार्वे 1628 में. 4 पार्ट है. हार्ट, आर्टरी, वेन्स और ब्लड. हार्ट, इट रिमेन्स सेफ इन द पेरिकार्डियल मेम्ब्रेन. इट वेट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 300 ग्राम. ह्यूमन हार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन मेड ऑफ 4 चैम्बर. एट एंटेरियर साइड द राइट एट्रियम, लेफ्ट एट्रियम. इन पोस्टेरियर साइड हार्ट देयर इज राइट वेंट्रिकल और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. बिटवीन राइट एट्रियम और राइट वेंट्रिकल ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व. Left atrium or left ventricle bicuspid valve. Blood vessel carrying the blood from body towards heart. Vein. In vein there is impure blood, that is carbon dioxide mixed blood. In its exception, pulmonary vein which always carry pure blood. Pulmonary vein carries blood from lungs to left atrium. It carry pure blood, that is oxygenated blood. The main blood vessel carrying the blood from heart towards the body is called aorta. This is largest artery found in human. Artery carry blood कैरी करता लेफ्ट हार्ट से डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी. आर्टरी देयर इज प्योर ब्लड, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. इट्स एक्सेप्शन पल्मोनरी आर्टरी कैरीज ब्लड फ्रॉम राइट वेंट्रिकल टू लंग्स. इम्प्योर डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड रहता है. राइट पल्मोनरी आर्टरी इज लॉन्गर देन लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ हार्ट देयर रिमेन्स इम्प्योर ब्लड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिक्स ब्लड. लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ प्योर ब्लड, ऑक्सीजन मिक्स ब्लड. आर्टरी कैरिंग ब्लड टू मसल ऑफ हार्ट is called coronary artery. Any type of hindrance in it cause heart attack. Cause of circulation. Mammals have double circulation. Blood have to cross 2 times from heart before circulating through body. Right atrium receive impure blood from the body, which goes right ventricle. From here the blood went to pulmonary artery, which carry it the lung for purification. After purification it is collected by pulmonary vein, which bring it back to heart is left atrium. From atrium it went to left ventricle. Now this purified blood is sent to aorta for the different organ of body. Cardiac cycle. Rhythmic systole, contraction and diastole, relaxation of auricle and ventricle constitute a cardiac cycle. Heartbeat keeps beating rhythmically throughout the life. Node from which contraction of heart originated from SA node. Sinoatrial node, a specialized area of cardiac muscle fiber at right auricle. SA node, also known as pacemaker or generator each wave of cardiac impulse. Artery ventricle node. AV node is present close to the interarterial septum near the right AV aperture. Systole or diastole heart collecting called heartbeat. Normal condition में 72 times. Single approximately 50 से 80 ml blood. 120 सिस्टोल और 80 डायस्टोल. बीपी, ब्लड प्रेशर, स्पाइग्नोमैनोमीटर. थायरोक्सिन और एड्रेनालाइन हार्मोन बीच इंडिपेंडेंटली कंट्रोल हार्ट बीट. CO2 present in blood accelerate with the heart beat, reducing the pH. Presence of air bubble in blood stream is dangerous to life because it may obstruct the flow of blood. Lymph circulatory system. Light yellow fluid found in the intercellular space between different tissue and cell called lymph. Lymph is fluid whose composition is like blood plasma, in which nutrient, oxygen or various substances are present in WBC. Corpuscles found in lymphocyte. In fact, these are WBC. Lymph flows only in one direction from tissue towards heart in lymph vessel. Lymphocyte present in lymph helps to prevent the body from disease by killing harmful bacteria or other toxic foreign bodies. Node found in lymph vessel are called lymph node. Work as filter of microbes in human body. Lymph help in healing the wounds. Lymph helps circulating different material from tissue to vein. Excretory system. Excretion, removal of waste product formed during the metabolism from the body of human is called excretion. Normally, excretion means the release of nitrogenous excretory substance like urea, ammonia, uric acid, किडनी, स्किन, लीवर, लंग्स और आइज भी एक्सक्रीशन करता है. किडनी मेन एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गेन इन ह्यूमन. अदर मैमल्स अ पेयर ऑफ किडनी इट वेट 140 ग्राम. टू पार्ट ऑफ इट, आउटर पार्ट कॉल्ड कॉर्टेक्स और इनर पार्ट मेडुला. इच किडनी मेड ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेट 130 10 लाख करोड़. बाप रे बाप. किडनी डक्ट्स विच are called nephron. Nephron is a structure and function unit of kidney. Cup-like structure is in the every nephron. Bowman's capsule, glomerulus made up of thin blood vessel found in Bowman's capsule, which made up of two different arterioles, afferent arteriole or efferent arteriole, which carries blood to the glomerulus, by which blood is taken out of glomerulus. The process of filtration of liquid into cavity Bowman's capsule called ultrafiltration. Main function of kidney is purification of blood plasma, that is to excrete the unwanted nitrogenous based substance through urination. Supply of blood to kidney take place in large quantity of comparison to other. Kidney average 125 ml per minute. Blood is filtrate. Urine, aqueous solution, 95% of water. Other constitute urea, uric acid, chloride, sodium, potassium. Color of urine light yellow due to presence of urochrome. Urochrome formed by dissociation of hemoglobin. Correct sequence of organ to path: urine flow, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Urine acidic, pH 6. Stone formed in kidney made up of calcium oxalate. Skin, oil gland, sweat gland found in skin, secrete sebum or sweat. Liver cell plays the main role. Excretion by converting more or more amino acid and ammonia of blood into urea. Lungs excrete two type of gaseous substance, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Excretion of some substance like garlic, and some species in which vapor component is present excreted by lungs. Unicellular animal diffusion through general body surface or contractile vehicles. Animal or Porifera phylum, generally body surface. Coelenterata, directly by cell. Flatworm, flame cell. Animal of Annelida phylum. Nephridia. Arthropoda, Malpighian tubules. Crustacean, antennal gland. Mollusca, urinary organ. Vertebrate mainly by kidney. Hemodialysis, removal of excess urea from blood of patient using artificial kidney. Nervous system का काम है. Nervous system, thin thread like nerves are spread throughout the body. After receiving information of environmental change from the sensitive organ, spread speedily electric impulse or establish working and coordinating. तीन तरह का सेंट्रल नर्वस, पेरिफेरल और ऑटोनोमिक. सेंट्रल नर्वस part of nervous system keep control the whole body and on nervous system itself. Central nervous system made up of two brain or spinal cord. Brain covered by membrane called meninges. It is situated in bony box called cranium which protect it from external injury. ब्रेन का तीन पार्ट है, फोर ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन और हिंड ब्रेन. ब्रेन कवर्ड होता है जो मेम्ब्रेन से, उसको मेनिंगस बोलते हैं। और जो बॉनी बॉक्स सिचुएटेड होता है बॉनी बॉक्स में, उसको क्रेनियम बोलते हैं, प्रोटेक्ट करता है। फोर ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन, हिंड ब्रेन। फोर ब्रेन का सेरिब्रम, थैलेमस, हाइपोथैलेमस। मिड ब्रेन कॉर्पोरा क्वाड्रिजेमिना। हिंड ब्रेन सेरिबलम, पोन्स, मेडुला। फोर ब्रेन वेट ऑफ ब्रेन ह्यूमन बॉडी का 1350 ग्राम। फंक्शन सेरिब्रम का, सेरिब्रम जो होता है मोस्ट डेवलप्ड पार्ट होता है ब्रेन का, सेंटर ऑफ विजडम, मेमोरी, विल पावर, मूवमेंट, नॉलेज, थिंकिंग, यही से होता है। एनालिसिस और कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ मस्कुलर मूवमेंट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सेंस ऑर्गन, ये लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ब्रेन। थैलेमस सेंटर ऑफ फीलिंग पेन, कोल्ड, हीट। हाइपोथैलेमस कंट्रोल करता है हार्मोनल सिक्रेशन ऑफ इंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड, हार्मोन सिक्रेटेड फ्रॉम पोस्टीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सिक्रेट थ्रू इट। This is the center of hunger, thirst, temperature control, love, hate, blood pressure, metabolism, sweat, water, sweat, anger, joy, controlled by it. Midbrain, corpora quadrigemina, center of control on vision or hearing power. Hindbrain का cerebellum, what at the back of head, consists of two cerebellar hemisphere like cerebrum. Voluntary center for coordination of muscular body movement, मेंटेन करता है पोस्चर, कीपिंग बॉडी बैलेंस में। सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पार्ट है ब्रेन का सेरिबेलम, पोन्स, एक्ट ब्रीज कैरिंग असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। मेडुला पोस्टेरियर मोस्ट पार्ट ब्रेन का है, कंटिन्यूअस इनटू स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, कनेक्ट विथ कम्युनिकेट द ब्रेन विथ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, कंटेन कार्डिक, रेस्पिरेटरी एंड वैसोमीटर सेंटर, हार्ट एक्शन, respiration, coughing, sneezing is medulla. Brain of human situated in cranium, which protect from external injury. Brain covered by membrane or meninges. EG, electroencephalography done known as function of brain. Spinal cord posterior region of medulla oblongata form the spinal cord. Main function coordinate and control of reflex action work, center of reflex action, carries impulse coming out of brain. Reflex action was first discovered by Marshall Hall. Peripheral nervous system or peripheral nervous system made up of nerves arising from brain and spinal cord called cranial or spinal nerve respectively. Sensory, motor and mixed nerve, 12 pair of cranial nerve, 31 pair of spinal nerve found human. Unit of nervous tissue, neuron or nerve cell. Autonomic nervous system made up of some brain nerve and some spinal cord nerve, supplies nerve to the all internal organ and blood vessel of the body. First presented the concept of autonomic nervous system 1921. Part autonomic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system or parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system narrows the blood vessel in the skin. By action hair get erected. इससे होता है रिड्यूस सेक्रेशन ऑफ सैलिवरी ग्लैंड, इंक्रीज हार्ट बीट, इंक्रीज करता है सेक्रेशन ऑफ स्वेट ग्लैंड, स्ट्रेच पुपिल ऑफ द आई बॉल, रिलैक्स मसल ऑफ यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, reduce speed of contraction and relaxation of intestine, rate of respiration increase BP, increase sugar level in blood, increase number of RBC in blood, help clotting of blood. Collective impact of this affect fear, pain, anger. Function of parasympathetic nervous system opposite to sympathetic, widen the lumen of blood vessel except the coronary blood vessel, increase secretion of saliva or digestive juice. Contraction of pupil caused by this create contraction in the other muscle of the urinary bladder, create contraction motion in intestinal wall. Effect this nervous system collectively create the occasion rest and joy. Skeletal system Axial skeleton system और appendicular skeleton system. Axial skeleton में main axis of the body और skull, vertebral column and bone of chest come under it. 80 bone होता है axial में. skull 22 bone in it jointly protect brain and human known as cranium. A structure called forehead remain joined strongly by the stature. 14 bone in addition, this which form a face. Ear ocels have 6 bone and hyoid is made up of 1 bone. Vertebral column. Human is made up of 30 vertebra. All vertebra are joined together by invertebral disc. Vertebra is made flexible by those intervertebral disc. Be divided whole vertebral column into following parts. First vertebra, atlas, hold skull. Cervical zone 7 vertebra, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, sacral 5 और caudal region 4 vertebrae 33. Function of vertebral column: hold the head, provide base to the neck and body. Human in standing and walking. Provide flexibility to neck and body by which human can move neck and body in any direction. Provide protection to spinal cord. Appendicular skeleton. Foot bones. Both hand and feet have 53 bone. Foot consists 26 bone. Wheel hand 27. To hold forelimb and hind limb. Axial skeleton. Human there is 2 girdles. Girdle of forelimb, pectoral girdle, and girdle of hind limb, pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle join the forelimb is called humerus, and bone from pelvic girdle join hind limb is called femur. Spiral skeletal system का फंक्शन: definite shape देता है, protection और to soft part of the body, provide base to muscle for joining, help respiration and nutrition, to form blood corpuscles. टोटल नंबर ऑफ बोन इन ह्यूमन बॉडी 206 और 208. नंबर ऑफ चाइल्डहुड में 270. टोटल नंबर ऑफ बोन इन हेड 29. फोरहेड पे 8, फेशियल 14, ईयर 6, वाइड 1. टोटल नंबर ऑफ बोन वर्टिब्रल कॉलम 33. आफ्टर डेवलपमेंट 26. 5 sacral fuse into 1 और 4 caudal fuse into 1. टोटल नंबर ऑफ बोन इन डिप्स 24. लॉन्गेस्ट एंड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बोन फीमर, स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेपी ईयर का और फीमर थाई का. फोरामेन मैग्नम अपर्चर फाउंड इन स्कल. ईयर बोन मेलिकस इनकस स्टेपीज 2. पाम मेटाकार्पल्स 10. थाई फीमर 2. नी पटेला 2. सोल मेटाटार्सल. अपर आर्म ह्यूमरस 2. फोर आर्म रेडियो अल्ना 2. रिस्ट कार्पल 16. फ्लेंजी फिंगर 28. हिंड लिम टिबुला फिबुला 4. एंकल टार्सल 14. एक्सटर्नल ईयर ऑफ मैन इज mainly made up of cartilage, muscle and bone joined together by tendon. Muscle which join bone to bone. Ligament human body are made up of yellow fiber. अब endocrine system. Exocrine gland which have duct called endocrine. Secretion of enzyme pass through it. Digestive sweat or mucus or salivary gland. Endocrine gland. Ductless gland. Hormones secreted by these gland. Hormones are sent to different part of the body through blood, plasma. Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid. Pituitary gland situated in depression of sphenoid bone of forehead. Cell tunica. Weight of approximately 0.6 gram. Master gland. Pituitary gland controlled by hypothalamus. Hormone secreted by pituitary gland. STH. Somatotropic hormone control growth body, especially growth of bone. Excessiveness of STH gigantism, acromegaly, cause height, which height of the human abnormally, lack of STH, dwarfism. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, thyroid gland to secrete hormone. ACTH, corticotropic hormone, secretion of adrenal cortex. Growth hormone control function of gonad. Two type, FSH or LH. Follicle stimulating hormone, male, it stimulates spermatogenesis in seminiferous tubules in testes. Female, it stimulates the graphene follicles of ovary to secrete hormone estrogen. LH, luteinizing hormone, interstitial cell stimulating hormone secretion. Testosterone hormone take place in male. In case of female, estrogen hormone secreted. LTH, lactogenic hormone, to stimulate secretion of milk in breast or infant. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, increase blood pressure, help maintaining the water balance in body, reduce volume of urine. Hypothalamus, brain control part of brain which control emotional reaction in our body. Hypothalamus located in base of brain near pituitary gland, releasing hormone and regulating body temperature. Hormone serotonin is known to be helpful in coping with stress. Thyroid gland, situated below larynx or both sides of respiratory trachea in throat. Human hormone secreted by thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Hormone thyroxine contain iodine. Function, increase speed cellular respiration necessary for normal growth of body, bone or hair. Normal function, reproductive organ depend on activeness of thyroid gland. Control of water balance of body in coordination with hormone or pituitary gland. Thyroxine control the metabolic rate of body. Deficiency of thyroxine disease cause cretinism. This disease affect the children. Mental physical retardedness of the child. Myxedema, normal attack during youth. Metabolism does not take place properly, which cause reduction in heartbeat and blood pressure. Hypothyroidism, caused due to chronic deficiency of thyroxine hormone. Due to this disease, normal reproduction is not possible. Goitre disease, caused by deficiency of iodine in food. Thyroid gland abnormally enlarged हो जाता है. Iodization of salt is in a public health measure to prevent goitre. Excessiveness of thyroxine, exothalamic goitre. Eyes get bulging out of the eye socket with increased metabolic rate. Parathyroid gland, situated right back of thyroid gland of throat. Two hormones are secreted. Parathyroid hormone secreted when there is deficiency of calcium in blood. It regulates the level of calcium in blood. Calcitonin released when there is excess of calcium in blood is present. Hormone secreted by parathyroid gland control quantity of calcium in blood. Adrenal gland, two part. Outer part is cortex or inner medulla. Hormone secreted by cortex. Glucocorticoids control metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, fat. Mineralocorticoids, deabsorption of iron by kidney duct and to control the quantity of other iron in body. Cortex, essential for life. If the excreted completely from the body, human will remain alive. In case of deformation of cortex, process metabolism get disturbed. Disease is called Addison's disease. Hormone secreted by medulla and their function. Adrenaline, epinephrine, amino acid. Norepinephrine, also known as amino acid. Work of both hormone is similar. Increase the relaxation and contraction heart muscle. Blood pressure increase, decrease. Sudden stop of heartbeat. epinephrine is helpful for restarting the heart. Hormone secreted by adrenal gland, fight and fight hormone, emergency hormone, thymus, endocrine gland, found situated chest cavity, produce the hormone thymosin. It stimulates immune system. With advancing in age, its secretion decrease. Gonad, ovary, hormone secreted by this estrogen, complete development of reproductive organ. Progesterone, it stimulates thickening of uterus lining during ovarian cycle. Relaxation during pregnancy, it is relaxin. During pregnancy, it is found in uterus and placenta. These hormones smoothen the pubic symphysis and it widens the uterine cervix so that a child is delivered easily. Oxytocin hormone help contraction of uterine wall during childbirth and play an important role in release milk from mammary gland secreted by hypothalamus. Testes hormone secreted by it called testosterone motivate the sexual behavior and growth of secondary sexual character. Primary function of endocrine gland is to produce sweat. Sweating or perspiration is nature's way of lowering the internal temperature of the body. Sweat glands are present in skin. When exposed to sunlight, our skin gets darker due to presence of melanin.